world is that?
It's our new van.
No. Lindsay? Ginger?
And now we have Olive.
Are they twins like us?
They're best friends.
Oh my gosh, best friend buses. Okay, let me grab my purse.
Okay, get your stuff.
Okay.
And this is gonna be our new ride today. So who are we going to see?
Danny and Ryan.
Okay.
Up in Bothell. So this is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, gorgeous lot. And it's currently listed at $575. It's been on the market for 3 months. Plus, it looks like it's pretty original. Outside looks really nice.
Hi, guys.
Hi, puppy.
Hi, I'm Lindsay.
I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you.
you.
My wife, Danny.
Hi.
Leslie.
Hi, Leslie.
Hi, Gibson, come here. So tell us a little bit about your guys' house.
Sure. Well, we've been here for 12 years. The neighborhood is great. The schools are great. Our neighbors are awesome. But it's time for us to move on. We're looking to move over to Leavenworth, east of the mountains over there, and we are all ready to go. The only thing we're lacking is a buyer for the house.
Did I see you were actually listing the home?
I was, yes. I do kind of part-time real estate, but mostly I focus on mortgage lending.
Oh, okay.
And I'm a residential appraiser myself, so.
You guys by far picked the harder jobs.
Yes.
So what do you think you guys' biggest hurdles were?
It is the same kitchen and the same bathrooms that were here when we moved in. We have all this new construction going up in our area. We're competing against homes that are brand new.
I mean, there's not a whole lot in this room that I would say is dated.
We can show you some of the dated stuff,
Let's see the kitchen.
It's a little closed off.
Yeah.
You know, the cabinets are a little dated, but this is good space to work with. If we're gonna get that top dollar for this house, updating this would be really nice to do. Replacing countertops, updating cabinets,
Absolutely.
lighter backsplash, the color palette's a little dated. The soffits, the kind of dead space here is, you know, something that we don't see in newer construction.
What is your thought on this wall, Lindsay?
Ideally, I would open the whole thing up into the front room.
I couldn't agree more with that.
Yeah. You guys, that's insane. That yard.
Yeah, that's why we bought the house.
And it's becoming even more unique in the area.
For
It's becoming less common to find it, but not less desirable.
Okay, let's see what's down the hall.
Tell me what you come for.
This is the living room.
Love the vaulted ceilings.
Having a real wood-burning fireplace.
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We could do a lot with it.
All right.
Carpet in your bathroom.
Yeah.
We always felt like this was so funky in here that we didn't even know where to start.
What I would suggest is you need a hard surface, new lighting, new mirror, and a door.
I was just gonna ask
separate
that.
the-
I've always felt like there should be a door there.
Yeah.
There's no reason why we can't hit that top dollar if we address the kitchen and the bath. So we'll go back to the office, we'll do some research, and then we'll call you and get back together.
Sounds
Thank
good.
you so much.
Hi, guys.
Hello. Man, this thing is cool.
Her name is Olive.
Wow,
We just
cool.
got her.
I like it.
Love it.
So now we're gonna take you to an inspiration house.
Okay.
This will show us a good comparable for your home. Who
Yeah.
are we competing with?
Okay.
This is it. So great paint, great
Yeah.
roof.
Nice looking yard.
Yeah. Let's go check out the inside. Come on in, guys.
Super nice.
Ooh, beautiful floor.
I really like this kitchen.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
I like the counters and I like that it's bright.
This right here was probably a wall. And they opened this up into the living space. We can do something similar in your kitchen by taking down the wall separating the kitchen and the dining room. We'd also like to remove all of the soffits above the cabinets. Then we'd install all new cabinets, backsplash, and countertops. And finally, we'd like to add a center island for more storage.
I think living, they kept that brick.
They added
yeah.
a lighter color to the hearth, and then they used staging.
Makes those photos in the listing pop too, I'll bet.
It sure does. So in your living room, we'd like to update the brick fireplace with a new mantle and a pop of color to make the space more inviting. And we'll finish off the room with some staging.
Makes a lot of sense to me.
So the master.
Oh, wow.
It's a nice size master bedroom.
And bathroom, check it out.
And guys, it has a door.
Let's have a door. This is really nice.
In the master bathroom, we'll get rid of all the carpet on the floor and put down brand new tile. I'd also want to replace your old vanity with a new updated double vanity, as well as new paint, a new mirror, and new lighting.
I think really what our goal with bringing you guys here is to really just point out some of the things that we feel are significantly important when getting top dollar.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Here's what we're thinking. You tried to sell at $575. We would want to invest our own money in. So we'd like to put in about $35,000. And with that, we would really focus on...
That's me. I really want to focus on updating that kitchen and opening it up to the dining room. Then I'd like to tackle your living room, the master bathroom, and stage the whole house.
With that said, we would then turn around and list your home for $630.
God, that'd be great.
We would get our $35,000 back of investment, and that would still leave an additional $20,000 profit that we would split $10,000 and $10,000.
I love it.
Sounds good to me.
I love it. Let's do it.
We'll get our contractor in there right away, get this project started.
We have obviously been at this for a while, and we're ready to move.
All right, guys, let's get an olive.
All right, let's go.
Jeff and his crew have quickly gotten to work on demoing Danny and Ryan's house. We're competing with a lot of new construction in the area, so we need to make sure we make some dramatic changes to the kitchen in order to attract a buyer. First, we're removing the dated cabinets and soffits. Next, we're taking out the wall between the kitchen and the dining room to give it an open concept feel that you find in newer builds. In the master bathroom, we're removing the old carpet and taking out the old vanity, which will give us a clean slate so we can modernize the space. Buyers at our high price point are looking for more of a classic style that they won't have to change out in a few years. So we're going with a custom white cabinet in the kitchen and keeping the rustic wood tile flooring that will stand the test of time. In the bathroom, we're keeping our colors pretty classic, sticking to mainly black and white, but we decided to do a fun pattern cement tile on the floor to give the room some wow factor when buyers walk in.
We'll see, that's right here. Oh, they're here. Yay! Okay. Hi, guys.
Hey, hello.
Oh, it's so good to see you. Shut the door.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, how are you feeling?
Very excited.
With both of you being in the industry, I mean, this was big for you to give over the control.
Yes.
So we really had a lot of pressure on us to knock it out of the park, and I think we did.
Yeah.
So, okay, all right, here we go. Let's see it.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
All right. This is huge. Wow, this is cool. It's completely different.
It is. I like the sitting area.
Look at the beam. That's amazing. I love the way it opens up into the kitchen. It makes it feel so much more modern in here. Oh my God.
Ooh, I love it.
Wow, this is amazing.
I love the counter.
I love the counters.
Good. I like the angle of the.
I never would have thought to do that. This is unbelievable.
Yeah, I did not expect it like this.
No, me either.
Looks great. Oh, I love that.
I love it too.
Finally, a door to the bathroom.
Always wanted a door there. Yes, always wanted a door there.
Let's go see the bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I
No
love the
carpet.
floors.
What do you think of the
sinks.
floors?
Cow,
Look.
I love it.
It's
Two
so
sinks.
cool.
Oh my gosh. It is so much better.
So your original sales price was $575,000. We were going to invest $35,000. We actually are going to hit the MLS this afternoon at $635,000.
Okay.
And that's because we don't have any competition right now.
It's amazing.
We're ready to move on and head over the mountain to the new life.
It's going to be a great house for the next family that lives here.
All right. Bye, guys. Get out. All right, awesome. Bye. So, we listed this morning. We already got an offer, $650 and closing in 2 weeks.
Are you kidding me?
No.